Wagwan people, here again. Reina's cooking. Guess what now, people? Wife coming from work, tired, says she want to get some rest. Says she not cook no food tonight, but me going to surprise her. So today me going to cook some brown stew chicken. Yeah, and surprise her. Cause you have to surprise the lady them now. The man them will watch it this now. You have to surprise the lady them when them see them tired and a dry food and night nothing. Well, tonight we're going to surprise her. Alright people, wash the chicken already. See it here. Wash it with some lemon. So this are my all-purpose season with some chicken season. These are the green season I want to do the magic. These are mixed with the onion. We have garlic in it, and we have scallion in it, and these are the browning to keep the nice color and the nice thing. This are now we have the onion here, so with some more crushed garlic and with some sweet pepper. So we are going to season it up now, put it in the fridge, make it go and soak for an hour.